Have you ever wondered why ants suddenly appear in your home? What if it's not just random, but a subtle message from Allah? In Islam, even the smallest creatures can carry powerful lessons. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes you'll discover 6 hidden messages ants might be sending you, signs that can transform the way you see your life, your habits, and your connection with Allah. Sometimes the smallest creatures carry the greatest lessons. When ants enter your home, it could be a reminder of Allah's immense power and perfect creation. Despite their tiny size, ants display incredible organization, teamwork, and determination. They build complex colonies, gather food, and communicate efficiently, all without instruction or supervision. This intricate design reflects Allah's wisdom, creativity, and control over the universe. In the Quran, Allah draws attention to ants as a sign for humanity. Their behavior teaches us that even the smallest beings are part of Allah's grand design, functioning with purpose and harmony. Observing ants can remind us to reflect on our place in creation and the countless blessings and lessons hidden around us. Ants also highlight the balance in nature. Each creature has a role, a way of life, that contributes to the ecosystem, yet none oversteps its bounds. Similarly, humans are entrusted with responsibility on earth to live with purpose, respect creation, and follow Allah's guidance. When you notice ants in your home, pause and reflect. Instead of seeing them as nuisances, view them as signs of Allah's artistry. Their resilience, discipline, and cooperation are subtle reminders of His power and perfection. Recognizing these signs strengthens gratitude, humility, and awareness of Allah's presence in every detail of life. It is a call to see the divine in the ordinary. When ants enter your home, it may be more than a simple nuisance. It could be a subtle warning from Allah to pay attention to your surroundings. Ants often appear where there are cracks, food remnants, or areas that have been neglected. Spiritually, this can symbolize parts of your life or home that require care and protection. Allah may be reminding you to maintain cleanliness, organize your space, and safeguard your belongings. A tidy home reflects discipline, mindfulness, and respect for the blessings Allah has provided. It also creates a peaceful environment for your family, your heart, and your connection with Allah. This warning is not just about physical maintenance, but also about being vigilant in life. Protecting your home mirrors protecting your heart, relationships, and responsibilities. Ants appearing unexpectedly can serve as a gentle wake-up call. Check your environment, remove harm, and ensure that every aspect of your life is in order under Allah's guidance. Ants, though tiny, work tirelessly to achieve remarkable results. They carry loads much heavier than their size, build complex colonies, and support each other in every task. When ants enter your home, Allah may be reminding you that even small, consistent actions can create significant outcomes in your life. In our spiritual journey, this lesson is profound. Small acts of kindness, daily prayers, or brief moments of remembrance may seem insignificant, yet they accumulate and bring immense reward in the eyes of Allah. Like the ants, consistency matters more than size or immediate recognition. This reminder encourages patience, perseverance, and mindfulness in everything we do. By focusing on small, meaningful actions, we contribute to a larger purpose, strengthening our character, improving our environment, and earning Allah's blessings. The humble ant teaches that no effort for Allah is ever wasted, and every small step can lead to profound, lasting impact. When ants appear in your home, it can serve as a subtle nudge from Allah to evaluate your own habits and productivity. Ants are disciplined, organized, and consistent in their efforts. They work diligently, plan ahead, and never waste time. Observing their behavior reminds us to reflect on how we spend our days, our energy, and our time. Allah may be encouraging you to assess your routines. Whether you are consistent in your prayers, responsible in your duties, or intentional with your personal growth. Just as ants prepare for the future and support their community, we too are accountable for our actions and the impact they have on ourselves and others. This reflection is not about self-criticism, but about growth. By learning from these tiny creatures, you are reminded to cultivate discipline, focus, and meaningful productivity, ensuring that every effort you make aligns with Allah's guidance and contributes positively to your life. When ants enter your home, they can serve as a gentle reminder from Allah about sustenance and gratitude. Despite their small size, ants survive, find food, and thrive, relying entirely on what Allah provides for them. Their simple, diligent lifestyle demonstrates how Allah's provision reaches every creature, no matter how tiny or seemingly insignificant. This is a lesson for us to recognize and appreciate the countless blessings in our own lives. We often take our food, home, health, and opportunities for granted, forgetting that every blessing comes from Allah. Just as ants make the most of what is available to them, we are encouraged to be mindful, use our resources wisely, and show gratitude in both words and actions. When you see ants working persistently, reflect on Allah's mercy and sustenance. Let it inspire a heart of thankfulness, humility, and reliance on Allah, knowing that He provides abundantly for all His creations. When ants appear in your home, it can serve as a spiritual wake-up call from Allah to pay attention to areas of your life that may have been neglected. Ants often gather where there is decay, waste, or unattended spaces, symbolizing how neglect can attract harm or imbalance. Similarly, Allah may be reminding you to care for your heart, your environment, and your responsibilities. Neglect is not only physical, but also spiritual. Ignoring prayers, letting your character weaken, or failing to nurture relationships can leave your life vulnerable to difficulties. The appearance of ants encourages mindfulness, reflection, and proactivity. By taking this sign seriously, you are prompted to cleanse your surroundings, correct harmful habits, and strengthen your spiritual practices. Small, consistent efforts in self-care and devotion can prevent bigger problems. Ants remind us that even tiny oversights can grow if left unattended. And Allah calls us to vigilance, discipline, and awareness in every aspect of life.